LeaderTek Company Limited was founded in 2002. The company is the only professional vendor in Taiwan that has applied 3D laser technology to preserve the architecture of monuments digitally. Besides, creating scanned floor plans and monitoring for deformations in historical monuments. The main work of 3D laser scanner is to digitally capture the shape of the physical objects using a line of laser light from center of the scanners. The scanner can emit 1 million laser points at once, with a 1 mm distance between each laser point. These dense laser points were sent back to the 3D scanner after touching the object. Through constant self-center rotation of the mirror, it can create point clouds and restore the actual scenes in XYZ dimension. LeaderTek works with universities and colleges in Taiwan every year. The company has successfully transformed some of its R&D results into practical technologies used by governments and private enterprises, and has won multiple accolades from Taiwanese institutions. So far, a number of patents, such as a processing method of laser scanning data and a non-contact method of scaffolding structure detection, have been applied and approved by Intellectual Property Office in Taiwan. The company has participated in international teams and has experience in scanning abroad, including Venice, Singapore, Qatar. LeaderTek is honored to participate in the produce of the 3D adventure drama film, Life of Pi, directed by Academy Award winner Anne Lee, and in charge of 3D scanning of lifeboat and the floating raft in the film scenes. The company also provides 3D integrated solutions of laser scanning and photogrammetry for monitoring tunnels, watercourses, bridges, landscapes, factories, forts, roads, reservoirs, and forests in the fields of civil engineering and reverse engineering. By applying a variety of 3D laser scanning devices, we are capable of capturing 3D point cloud data from large films to small objects with accurate details. For instance, the sculptures or stone murals in temples usually are not movable and need to be scanned outdoors. Using a handheld scanner will be the best option in this case. A Mantis Vision F6 SR imager provides convenience and 3D real-time feedback for scanning on site. It is small in size and highly flexible. The handheld scanner can capture complete data of the object according to the operator's movement from different angles. With the connection of tablet, it is easy to view 3D data capturing and check if anything is missing while scanning right away. There is no need to use powder or markers on the objects before scanning. Data is registered by geometry and texture of the objects to achieve non-contact scanning. This is particularly essential to document historical monuments and avoid destroying the artifacts themselves. A single object scan can be shortened in few minutes without affecting other activities. The powerful computing capabilities give us registration results immediately to view the full-colored model on the spot. Operators can inspect scanning results have instant discussion about the style and the craftsmanship, and observe the damage to the appearance of the current situation. With a touchscreen, the 3D models can be rotated, zoomed in and out, and also inspected without texture. The point cloud from 3D laser scanners has the characteristic of accurate size, which can be directly measured in the software. It greatly enhances work efficiency and provides even better data quality. All the details, including the faded color and the missing or broken bits of sculptures, are digitally preserved as an important reference for the future research and restoration. None of scanners can meet all the needs. Therefore, different 3D scanners will be recommended according to the sizes, materials, and the shapes of the objects. The Calibri Mini is a blue LED handheld 3D scanner and designed to capture smaller objects from 2 cm to 30 cm in length. That requires more details and higher pixel resolution. If the object is movable, it can be placed on a turntable for scanning directly, which has smaller workspace requirements. The Calibri Mini has a built-in touchscreen, which makes 3D scanning process easy and intuitive. Images are rendered in real time with a color indicator of the distance from the device to the measured objects. It's friendly for users to find and control the best measured distance before scanning. Holding the scanner from top to bottom, or from left to right, covering 360 degrees for capturing point cloud. Using a consistent movement speed can increase data quality, and the built-in color camera captures high-resolution texture maps at the same time. The data will be saved in the scanner itself and loaded in the connecting laptop. Running an alignment process by just one click, the software will compute modeling procedure and create a textured mesh model in few minutes. The software also has stitching feature, which can stitch point clouds from multiple scans to obtain a complete model. The Mini comes with a complimentary unlimited processing software, making it a great solution for schools and universities to allow students having hands-on experience with the Mini during class, and then work with the collected 3D data at their own pace during lab hours or at home. The Mini can digitize traditionally difficult black and shiny surfaces, as well as sharp edges. Under certain circumstances, there may be shaded area without data feedback because of the shape of the sculptures itself. In this case, the missing area of sculptures will rely on digital sculpting and painting, such as filling and sculpting missing holes with poly faces based on the model mesh shape, recalculating entire mesh, and improving mesh quality. Furthermore, combining models built from 3D laser scanning and photogrammetry will fully document and preserve the actual things in reality.